Back locally, the Jamaica Cricket Association is set to commence a number of initiatives aimed at accelerating youth development in the sport locally. Two of those initiatives are being driven by Cricket West Indies.
Milton Thomas and Nikita Miller have been named as pathway coaches aligned with the Jamaica Cricket Association in a program being spearheaded by Cricket West Indies. The purpose of the program is early talent identification and development. Thomas, who was the head coach of Jamaica's under-15 team to the recent regional championships, explains how this will help the youth set up.
I would have been sent a number of youngsters to work with and to prepare for a tournament. Fortunately now with this program, I'm able to go around, find players at schools, clubs, etc. I would try and get them ready, myself and Nikita Miller. So technically when they come to trial, they would be in a better place. So that's basically what it's about. So it's about scouting, coaching, preparing, planning, coaching programs for school, clubs, etc.
Thomas and Miller will also be working closely with veteran coach Junior Bennett, who will now serve the JCA as a talent and coaching manager.
He will go around the country and he will identify all the talents at the various levels from under 13 all the way up, and then he'll feed these names into the programs as we have just described. In addition to that, he'll also be responsible for training of coaches, because one of the things that we want to achieve at the JCA, and we need to, and we will achieve at the JCA, is that we'll have a cadre of coaches trained in the primary school system.
In the meantime, through assistance from CWI, the JCA is set to assemble an under-13 team that will depart the island before year's end.
In December of this year, for the first time, Jamaica will be sending a under-13 team abroad. National 13 team will be, the process has started. They are currently going through training at the parish level, which would lead to a selection of a national squad, and then training of the national squad, culminating in the naming of a national squad in December, and of course a tour to Trinidad later on in that month.
And the under-19 program is also not to be left out.
One thing for sure, normally it used to be that we would have players from the under-19 level making the transition into the senior team. Even if they don't represent the country, the senior team, they are there rubbing shoulders with the senior players. So we're moving back to that, and hopefully once we start to do that, then we'll get that crop of players that we can really move forward.
Renard Brown for TVJ Sports.